the thighs up and lift your kneecaps up and pull the belly up and in and lift from the waist. So then you feel the engagement in your core and feel that. And now just try to do a balancing on your toes, keeping that engagement in the core. Inhale, raise the arms up and heels up without losing that. And then exhale, bring the arms down and the heels down. So you can do that a few more times. Inhale, Tadasana. Exhale, arms down and heels down. So this is a good way to just warm up before we come to a Surya Namaskar type of flow. So you may want to do this Tadasana a few times.
From Vajrasana, you gotta sit up tall and nice and keep your right feet forward and your fingers wide and nice and spread. So basically your right foot is straight in between your palms and make sure your knee is aligned with your ankle. So from here, just push yourself away from your knees and sit up tall and nice so that you kind of feel your lower back. And from here, inhale, raise your arms all the way up and look up and still keep breathing. And just come forward and relax.
Ustrasana. Stand on your knees with the knees slightly apart. Place your hands on your lower back and arch back. This is the basic version of Ustrasana. Release. Now place one hand on the ankle behind. Take the other hand up towards the ceiling and look at the hand which is up. Release and repeat on the other side. For the complete version, place one hand on the ankle behind and the other hand on the other ankle. Push your hips forward and arch back. Look at the ceiling. Slowly release the asana and sit back and relax in child's pose.
Begin to sit with a straight back and keep your soles of your feet together and interlock your fingers onto your toes and begin to flap your thighs. So this helps in opening your tightness in your groins and your hips. Make sure your breath is really normal. To intensify the stretch in your groins, pull your feet closer to your pelvis and begin to flap for a couple of times. Now if you are a beginner, slowly bring your elbows down to the mat and rest in this position and make sure to breathe so that you are getting used to the stretch which is in your groin and your hips area. But to intensify the stretch even more, gently stretch your arms all the way forward and put your forehead down to the mat. It is going to hurt at the initial stages, but make sure you practice it every single day.
Bhujangasana series. Hand variations in Bhujangasana. From prone position, place your hands on the floor just above the head. Keeping the feet together, inhale, lift the head, shoulders and chest up. Look up and keep your elbows straight. Exhale, down. Now move your palms and place them just beneath your ears. Inhale, head up, elbows straight. Exhale, down. Move the palms just beneath the shoulders. Inhale, head up, elbows straight, feet together. Exhale, down. Now place your palms on either side of the chest Inhale, head up, straighten the elbows, look up, keep the feet together, exhale down. Hands on either side of the waist, inhale, head up, elbows straight, exhale down. Now bring the hands on either side of the chest, lift and sit back in child's pose.